This video is sponsored by Famoid.com, the best way to get social media followers in just one click.
Open Google Chrome, click on the URL bar, and go to chrome://flags. Once the page is loaded, click on the search input field, and search parallel downloading. After that, click on the drop-down menu and click Enabled. In the end, click Relaunch to make the changes. That's it. You can now experience a faster download speed. So, this is all in this video. We hope you liked it. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.